Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Escape windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the ignition is completely disengaged. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it stands upright and locks into position. This prevents the arm from snapping back unexpectedly. Now, let's remove the old blade. With the arm lifted, find the small tab or button on the wiper blade connector where it meets the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade down and off the J-hook of the wiper arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the windshield. Place a towel on the glass for protection, then gently lower the arm onto it. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Speaking of keeping things clean, why not upgrade your home's clean game? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles pet hair and self-empties, so your floors stay spotless while you tackle other tasks. Find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Installing the new blade is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give the blade a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Repeat this process for the other wiper. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Ensure they rest flat against the glass. Now, turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers to test them. Observe their operation for smoothness and listen for any unusual noises. Confirm they provide a clear, streak-free wipe across your entire windshield. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.